morning, ma'am.
Good morning, very good morning. Welcome to this online session.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Welcome all. So, yesterday we were talking about
Good morning, ma'am.
we had to talk about we were talking about the book review precisely today, isn't it? So we'll work upon the book review precisely today. I have to see there's some more people in the waiting room. All right, so let's see what are the points we will take up for the book review today. Oh, very simply, first can be, the points can be name of the book, right? Then it can be author, then it can be publisher, then it can
Ma'am, your voice is coming very.
All right, is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it better? Is it better?
Ma'am, no.
No? Just a second. I'll adjust my mic. Now tell me, is it better? Hello?
Yes,
Is that
ma'am.
better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So these are the points that you can keep putting down also in your register, please. Number of maybe pages, then it could be maybe genre, then it could be keep start thinking about these points, okay? Please start thinking about these points so that when we will take it up, you'll be ready. What you think you can write in this?
मैम आपकी आवाज फिर से बहुत कम आ रही है.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया अभी? Now?
Yes, ma'am. Much better.
मैम अब ठीक है.
I don't know what happens to the mic in between. Now, tell me, hey, let me experiment with the voice first. Is it okay now? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let's fix my mic at a place. I'm asking, is it okay? It should catch voice. Okay, so I was talking of brief summary.
Ma'am, same problem.
Now what happened? I'm not talking.
Oh, sorry.
Now you can talk of all right. Now, for example, we'll take up this and I'll add up more. Now, which book do you want to review today? Come, let's decide.
The Fault in Our Stars.
I want you to review a book which we all know. All know. Now, which could that be? Class 10 book. Take up any one of your class 10 book.
And Shakespeare.
Or Shakespeare, or maybe you can take up, let's take up that, what was the other book? I don't know, what was it?
Treasure trove.
Treasure trove.
Treasure Trove. Treasure Trove. Treasure Trove, and what was the other one for the poems?
Ma'am, same.
Same. So let's take up Treasure Trove. Okay. Now I'll give you 5 minutes to quickly in your register write down about these points first. You've got 5 minutes, and then just see if you're able to do what I have put here. This is all, of course, this is all we are learning. We are doing the rough work today, and then we will go further. So what comes as the name of the book? What do we take up as the name of the book? Treasure Trove. We take up the name of the book as Treasure Trove. Author. Now, name of the author can be anything, anyone, not anything, sorry, I went wrong there. The name of the author can be you, it can be one of your friends, anyone. Just like we talked about producer and director, it can be anyone. There are no marks for writing a true one. The marks are for writing a paragraph about the author. I'll take up the queries later. Right now, just do this, so then we'll take up the queries after that. Now, same way, publisher. Publisher again can be any one of your friends. Tara Chand and Company. Number of pages again can be imaginary. You really don't have to open that book and see the number of pages. Idea is that you should be able to write number of pages. Whether they were really there in the treasure trove or not, it does not matter. I don't know, children, are you understanding what I'm trying to say? That it's not about the reality of something that you're putting in. It's the expression of a particular point that matters here. So at times I've seen many children struggling over name of the book, which book to write, which book to write, you know, so it can be a very simple thing. You can even make up the name of a book. Brief summary. This is something, do it quickly, write a brief summary just now, and we will take it up. Genre, G-E-N-R-A, the spelling is G-E-N-R-E and the pronunciation is genre. And genre means which type of a book is it? Is it a book of horror stories? Is it a book of, is it a comic? Is it fiction? Is it scientific fiction? Skiffy? Is it scientific fiction? Is it a play? Is it a prose? Is it poetry? So you have to talk about what is the genre. And then again, you need to write a paragraph on what is the genre of the book. Brief summary. Brief summary is now you will let us know what the whole book is all about. Mind you, you don't have to write the story of the short story of all the stories there. You have to talk about the whole book. Let me hear if you're ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with any of these points just now? Any point that you're ready with, you can try and speak and let me hear so that we'll understand. And don't worry about being wrong or right. We are only learning at the moment. Achal, what have you written? Let me hear, child.
Ma'am, can I say
Sure, Janvi.
The Treasure Trove is a very interesting book.
Okay, good. Anyone else has to talk about this? Name of the book? Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mansh.
And The Tempest is very interesting book as its story is very interesting. Like this.
I think Vanshu just came in now. We decided, one thing we all decided, just to practice as of now, as a practice session. After that, when I give you the assignment, you can pick up any book of your choice. As of now, we are all choosing the same book so that we can understand how to develop these points into a paragraph. And the book we have all chosen is Treasure Trove of Class 10, because you all are very familiar with that book. So it will become a little easy for you to understand. All right, Vansh. And where
Ma'am,
have you been?
Yes, sir.
Where have you been? I've missed you in a couple of classes.
Yes, ma'am. And there is a clash between our maths and literature class, language class. And
Acha,
today also there is a clash. I leave the class of maths and come here.
acha, all right. Then I think we'll talk about this later. है ना? All right, go
Ma'am,
on.
can I try?
Sure, Anjali.
Ma'am, name of the book is Merchant of Venice. The author of this book is John Leonardo, and this book is published by Sultan Chen and Company.
Now, we have taken up 3 points. We are only talking of the first point just now, name of the book. See, we need 300 words also, no? So every point we should try and expand at least into two sentences. Then only we will be able to reach a 300. You remember yesterday I talked about that ultimate target is to reach around 300 words also. It's not just converting these points into a paragraph, but a paragraph which is, little healthy enough so that ultimately we are able to get our 300 words. So let's talk of only the book first. Name of the book.
and the book contains some short stories as well as some poems.
Let's talk of the very first point, Chaitanya. Very good. But let's only first talk about the very first point. Name of the book. How will you convert this into 2 lines? Name of the book. We are learning how to write minimum 2 lines for any given point. Minimum 2 lines. Treasure Trove is an outstanding book released in recent times. I am trying to tell you how we can add a couple of words to make the first point only quite wholesome. Yes, Divya? Who else is trying? Kunal, try. Karan, try. Please try. Yes, Chaitanya.
And
When you speak, why don't you switch on your video? Whenever anyone speaks, switch on the video. It will be so good. Janvi, you gave the points. Switch on the video and speak out your points.
Treasure Trove is a really excellent book.
Good to see you. Good, good, good. Very nice. See, you will get captured, and I said, no, you've already seen. I'm putting it up on YouTube, so you can all look good, and you can look pleasant and all, and so that we can all be there. Yes. Who else wants to switch on and speak about the points? Any of the points, any point. Take up any point. Publisher. Somebody can talk about the publisher. The book is very aptly titled. The book has a very apt title, has a suitable title, because indeed the whole book is a treasure of short stories and poems. So it's up to us how we can expand. You can take up this line also. Yeah, you talk about publisher, point of publisher.
This book is published by a very renowned publisher named Vaishnavi Chaurasia.
Okay, where's your video?
This
Yes.
book is published by a very renowned publisher named Vaishnavi Chaurasia.
Wonderful. That's a good compliment also. And, we are studying and we are complimenting our own friends also. That's a wonderful point. Great. What about that number of pages? How do you think you can convert that into a point? How will you deal with number of pages? Anyone?
This book consists of 70 pages.
Mhm. All right. 70 pages means then I would also put it like this. This treasure trove is one of my favorites because it's a very slim book, easy to handle and carry, doesn't add weight to my bag, and just has, say, only 70 pages. Are you understanding how I'm expanding on that very point? Because I have to make up 300 words.
Yes, ma'am.
So keep learning, keep speaking out so that I can help you, because today is a learning class. That how will we go about, how will we construct our sentences? Who's coming on the screen? We have book, we have number of pages, we have author. You can talk about the author. Nobody has talked about the author. Author can be anyone. Praise the author a little bit. what Janvi said about publisher, let's do one thing. Let's convert that point into, I'll make a clarity. When Janvi talked about Vaishnavi Chaurasia as the publisher, now this is an important point and you can all note down and remember that publisher will not be a name. It will have to be, uh, it can't be a direct name. For example, you have Morning Star, isn't it? You can have Evening Star, है ना? You can have published by Dreams. It is published by the trees. You know, little different. It'll have to be a common noun. It'll have to be a common noun than a proper noun. I hope you understand it in the terms of language, that it'll have to be a common noun rather than a proper noun. Proper noun, we will put it as name. So try again these two things, that is publisher and author. Yes. Come on screen, any one of you. Yes. All right, I have a chat. Ma'am, the book tells us about the difficulties which we have to face in life. All right, so that's one point, that this will come under genre. Chaitanya, this point will come under genre. When we say genre, then we will have to write on, the book is about, the book tells us about how to face difficulties in our life. Uh, the book has been authored by whomever you want to talk of. You can talk of that. So we've collected a couple of points. I'm picking it up. I'm changing the name of the book a little bit. I'm making it Treasure Ocean. Is a, what have you written? Tell me, any one of you, what have you written? Is a wonderful book released in.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Treasure Trove is a wonderful book released in recent times. Am I clear now? My voice, I mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. I learned a new way of using the mic now. Treasure Trove is a wonderful book released in recent times. What else? Well, our next point, author. What was the name you people mentioned? It can be the author. The author is, or let me change it. Renowned author. Any name that you can take up. All right. So this is what we're talking about, the author. He has given us a number of a number of interesting all right, what else can you write down now? Publisher. What do you want to write down for publisher?
Goel Brothers.
That can be anything. That's okay. Publisher. Okay.
The book has been published by Evergreen Publishers.
Okay. I'm taking off. Green.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Green. Now. Green Publishers once again have brought a book which affects our daily life. I'm putting it up here, okay, so that you can see this. Green Publishers once again have brought out a book which affects our daily life. Which affects or which can help our daily life. So this is about publishers. Now, what about pages? Next, what is it that you can talk about pages? Are you seeing how I'm converting very small points into 2 lines so that ultimately 300 words won't be a problem? Pages. This book has become an instant hit as it is slender and easy to carry.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of slender?
Thin, delicate, like your treasure trove was. It's so thin, right? I mean, much thinner than
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have your maths book or something. So the book has become an instant hit. Many a times, do you think the weight of a book also matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, ma'am.
Hannah, I
Yes.
am just exposing you to what all is possible, right? So we are not in a hurry to actually write a perfect book review just now. I'm only, it's like since you people have never done this, so it's like what all can be the reasons, what all can be written about a book. Maybe it's not about just what is inside the book, Hannah, that we will be writing up. We will come to brief summary and the plot happen. They both happen to be a paragraph which goes long. I think even for plot in film review, that became the biggest paragraph. Am I right? You know, plot is something which we can really write a lot on. So you think which was the biggest paragraph when you wrote the film review?
Ma'am, cast.
Cast, okay. Plot? No, plot you didn't write much.
No, ma'am.
All right, what about the others? You think the plot of the film, when you wrote the plot of the film, you know, the story of the film in short, without giving away all the you know important aspects. You were supposed to hold back some mysteries so that people actually go and watch it. We don't write on every single thing about the film. So plot. Similarly here, uh, summary of the whole book. So that again may take up, you know, say two paragraphs or maybe one paragraph, which is quite big enough. May have 5 to 7, maybe 8 sentences. Any other thing that you wish to add here? What have you written? You share with me. The book
Ma'am, the
author.
price of the book.
Let me read up the chat also here so that you know we get the chat recorded also. Chaitanya says about difficulty in life, and the author of the book is Shakespeare. Then Vaishnavi is saying Merchant of Venice is an outstanding book. Actually, we decided to keep the name of the book same, but then it's okay if you're able to experiment. I'm happy about that. The book has been authored. Divya will have to make a little amendment there. The book is authored by a very experienced author, Anjali Singh, or you can make it the book. The name of the author of this book is Anjali Singh, who is very experienced. All right, you've written two paragraphs in plot. Yes, Harsh, I think. Yes, we can even talk about the price of the book. Yes, you can talk about the price of the book. Very important point. You can talk about the cover of the book. Yes, you can describe a little bit, but you can only talk about the cover and all that when you have a point about it. Right now, of course, let's practice this. So what are the other points that you wish to write here?
Ma'am, suitability.
Let's take up the points which I've already given up first. Let's expand on that because these are the way somebody said about the price. So we can talk about the price here. The book is priced at very suitable rates. We'll have to also mention what is the price. So we'll have to imagine this price on our own again. Rupees, maybe you want to talk of rupees 20. How much? 30?
13.
13? Not
Yes,
13.
ma'am.
Let's make it a whole number. Let's make it 20. 13 won't be very good to write. Always put down as a whole number. It is priced at rupees 20. And I think I'll have to change my sentence now. The book is priced at rupees 20. Rates Any other point that you want to take up now? I don't have much time
Ma'am,
today left for this, so this is what you can we can talk of maybe the genre also. Yes, you were saying something. Somebody was saying something. Keep talking.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, some publishers also provide CDs at the end of the book, which comes in attractive features. Maybe.
You can take. We'll take up attractive features later. Very right. You can keep this point in mind. So I'll be adding some more points actually. Here I'll full of more points because see we just have 1, 2, 3,
Okay,
4,
ma'am.
5, 6, 7, and then we will be adding. Say I'll add 3 to 4 more points tomorrow. But I just thought maybe we can first think about the 5 points. है ना? I think how many points have we taken up? 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm taking
Ma'am,
up
5.
5. है ना? So it's like slowly and slowly building it up, and then we will move to the other aspects of a book review. So normally these are the things which can be asked in a book review. I have yet to send you a sample, so I'll be doing that also. Let's talk about maybe you said attractive features. The publishers, you wanted to thank the publishers for it. The publishers have provided a CD. You wanted to talk about a CD. This is the point you wanted to take up. Was it Anjali or Janvi? I am confused.
Yes, ma'am. Anjali.
Anjali, the publishers have provided a CD at the.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My goodness me, what do I do with this? The publishers have provided a CD at the back of the book. This is what you wanted to take up.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So we have this is attractive feature, and actually in attractive features, many other things can come up. I think somebody in the chat wrote that the cover design. What was that point? Please tell me what was that point quickly. About that cover design, somebody wrote that point about the designing of the cover. Yeah, tell me what was that point there?
The cover of the book is so interesting, which the readers also like it.
The cover is, let me put it as the cover is attractive. The cover pulls the reader or attracts the reader. Immediately, right?